Google Pomelli is a completely free tool by Google which you can use to generate social media campaigns, product images, and even the entire website. And it's as easy as clicking a few buttons. In this video, I'll show you how to master every feature inside Pomelli in just a few minutes. So you can start using this completely free tool for all your business branding and marketing needs. Let's get into it. To get started, we must first go to labs.google.com/Pomeli. Once you go there, you have to click on Let's Get Started. Once you do this, you have to go through this process of accepting and verifying. Once you do that, you can click on Let's Go. If you have an existing website, you can enter it here and you can start the entire branding process. What will happen is Pomeli will grab all the information from your website, the color schemes, the fonts used, the product images, catalogs, and about your company from your website. If you don't have a website, don't worry. You can click on no website yet. Now you can start from scratch or from a template. You can choose this template. There are a lot of templates out here which you can use, but for this example I would be uploading a couple of files, a couple of images I have generated. So once you come here, you click on upload files here. So as you can see, I have created this 4 images again through AI. So I'll upload these 4 images. Pomeli is going to analyze these images and put this data up here. So Pomeli just finished analyzing the images. Now let's click on generate business DNA. So this will take a couple of minutes and then it will be done. So you can see it has successfully captured the brand name, even the fonts, the color schemes, even added a tagline. Now, if you don't like this tagline, you can change it obviously by clicking on edit, or you can also ask here, can you suggest some more taglines? So it has given me 3 options. So I like the first one. Let me use this. Now the brand values are mentioned here, brand aesthetic, the color, tone, the voice, and there's a little bit of business overview as well. You can change it as well. I'm not changing for the purpose of this tutorial. Click on business details. Here you can enter your location, your phone numbers, the kind of keywords, your business hours. You can also link your social media, as well as you can have any call to action links as well. It also provides adding testimonials as well from your existing customers. So I'm going to fill up a couple of this information. So as you can see, I have entered a couple of details. I'm going to click on let's go. Now you'll be given this option. You can go in any order. You can either start with campaigns, you can start with photo shoot, you can also do website directly or even a brand book. For this tutorial, I'm going to start off with a, f- a photo shoot. So here you can create a product photo shoot, or you can also generate images, right? So already have a couple of product photos. So I'm going to click on create product photo shoot. Here again, you have to enter all your products that you have chosen in the beginning. So whatever products that you have, you can upload here. Since I had already uploaded a couple of images, you can see that they are here as well. So I'm going to select one of the products. Let me select this because I'm going to create a campaign around this ice cream. So you can also choose the format you want. You want to make it a square or story or even a feed campaign. So I'm going to go with story. I'm going to click on generate photo shoot, and it's going to create me 4 samples for the product I choose. So we're going to give it a couple of minutes and let's see what it comes up with. So as you can see, the photo shoot is complete. So this looks good. It has created really good images. If you want to make any changes, you can write here and make your changes as you please. So this looks good. Let's see what else. Okay, this is nice. This is good. So from this images, you can also add them directly to your business DNA. right? Or you can download those images and use them directly in your ad campaigns or on your website as well. Now, what we can do is we can either use these images to create campaign directly from here, right? These four images would be added, and then you can describe your campaign in any way, like I want to create a campaign with 20% discount on 20% discount for first time users, right? And then once you do that, you click on send, and the campaign will start generating immediately. Now this will take some time. Let's give it some time and let's see what it comes up with. As you can see, and it has given me some options, given me the title, given me a short description, a goal, and an offering, right? And now, if I confirm everything, I can make changes here as well. But I'll confirm this, and once you are done, the campaign will proceed to generate the images. So it has returned with the images. It's a really good. There are options for changing the header as well. If you want to change this text, if you want to change the description, you can do that here as well, or you can also generate through AI. You can change the color. You can also add a call to action as well. Right. So these look really good. Not only this, you can also create videos out of them. So you can animate this uh, images as well into videos, right? So let me quickly show you another campaign for which I have created a couple of videos. So in order to do so, you have to just click on animate here. So once you click on this animate, you'll be generating the videos for these images. Now, if you see a campaign I created previously, so as you can see, it has generated a couple of videos. All the four videos have been generated. Let's have a watch. This is good. Let's watch this. Here the hands are also moving. This looks luxurious. So as you can see, it has created a really good videos. Now let's click on brand book. So once you land on this, it's going to start generating immediately. I already ran this. So as you can see, it has created a really good brand book, which you can share with your team, with someone who joins new, or you can also keep it as an SOP for your brand. So here, colors, the fonts, the tagline, the images, the tone of voice, values, and everything would be added, which you can share across with your team. You can also publish it here directly. And in doing so, you can also share this with anyone within your team by copying this link, right? Next, websites. Now, once you click on this, the website would start generating immediately from all the information that you have provided in your catalogs, in your campaigns, through your photo shoot, through your business DNA. I have already generated one version, and this is what it. So the first one was this. So it came up with this, right? And you can look how elegant this website looks already. So it has taken up all the product image, uh, strawberry and vanilla, even the products, right? The images here, the contact, the footer, and everything. So everything looks good here. Now, for example, you want to make some changes here. You can see, for example, this I want to delete this. So I'll just type here that please delete the top right section. So once you do this, you click on send, and then it will immediately make these changes. Make any other changes if you want, or if you are okay with it, you can send it out to your boss or to your client. You can click on publish, and the link would be generated. You can copy this link, and you can open this and see the entire website and how it looks. So as you can see, it's really elegant. It has taken up a couple of effects. You can change anything from here if you want, again by going here and making your changes. So this is the website section. let's say the catalog section as well. So this is the catalog section. Now here I have already added a couple of products. You can click on either from URL or from scratch. So let me click on add from scratch. Let me add one of the products, and here you can put your item name, you can put your item description, and then create catalog item, right? So as you can see, I've already created a couple of catalog items. This you can use either to create campaigns or create photo shoot directly from here. So it's going to take up this details and you're going to create the campaign or the photo shoot. So thank you so much. This is Pomelli for you. You can, it's a free website for your branding needs and marketing needs. You can use this to generate content for your website and start promoting it uh, on the internet, right? So if you like this video, do make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit like. If you want to buy me a cup of chai, uh, the link is below. Also, if you want to watch a video on how to use Google Omni, that video is next. You should definitely check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.